Hello, guys, and welcome back to another Next analysis. So this will be the breakdown on NASDAQ. All right. So I'm going to talk about our previous trade, and I'm going to talk about what we're looking forward to next. So this was the previous trade, right? And you can see here where I predicted that this will be the major resist supports we'll be looking if the price is going to break it or is going to continue bearish. And where do we get this? If we go back to the weekly time frame, you'll be able to see that this week started as a bearish candle, right? But now we're seeing some retracement, which is making it looking like a pin bar. You could see it here, but we can't confirm the reversal yet because if you check the previous week before it, we have 5 weeks of bearishness. I don't think this one candle will just suddenly just start going up. Boom. You understand? All right. If you know what I'm talking about. I don't think this candle right here that formed at Monday, Tuesday, it was bearish, or on Wednesday, it's made some bullish retracement. I don't think it's going to continue from there, and then boom. All right. So we might be looking for some sort of a high, I mean a higher low, then a lower low, which is very, very, very common. You can see the same thing right here. You can see that the price actually went to test here and but in the end closed bearish. All right, so we could be expecting the same thing around here. So go back to the 4 hour time frame after we know where the price could eventually go to. You could see. So let me just delete this. So previously you could see that we had a range here, we had a lower low here, which was a very good low, but I think the price starts to react to this resistance. So again, to the weekly time frame, you could see the resistance right here. So I think there should be some sort of a recovery first before a bearish continuation, if there will be a bearish continuation. But fundamentally, there's not been any news giving us any kind of recovery news coming from Nasdaq. All right, the news coming out are still bearish, and even this bullish move we're seeing here is kind of choppy, right? It's not a trade. It's not the movements we want to trade. So but what we could see here is that we could see that the price is moving bullish, is going in the bullish form. So my best prediction, right, is this. So if we could see the price, because yeah, all right, we have some sort of OB right here. All right, so we could use this as a resistance. All right, so if we can see the price break through here, so if we could see the price breaks here, right, and come back to test here, we could be looking for potential long, which is going to be for a short term, right? Because here we have another resistance, right, another hobby, which could be affecting the price, or we could see possible rejection or even bearish continuation from here. So if the price could break through here, then we could be um anticipating for it to come either here, all right, to this OB down here, up here, sorry. You could be looking at this resistance or here. All right, so if you go to the lower time frame, you're going to see there should be some sort of imbalance. So I'm really sure that the price might eventually get here to test this trend and again fill up the imbalance that is in here. All right. So because if you check the candle here, all right, around you can, if you check the candle after this bearish just drop right here, you can see that there's no any significant buys right here, just sellers all through. So and market does this all the time, where if something like this coming, there's sometimes imbalance where the price will try to fill up the imbalance. So my projection on Nasdaq for now is this, right? We can see the recovery is slow, but we can just watch how it is. For first, I would like to see the breakouts from here, the retest, and then I would like to take it back from here if this trend didn't get broken. If the trend here should get broken, and then we might be looking into shorts. It's just like we did here again. So the previous trade, you could easily see it. We took it on the 30-minute time frame. It was fantastic. We had this breakout and the retest, and the price came to the TP, and it was just fantastic. All right, so we'll look forward for the next move, which is going to see if this is going to actually break here and retest, and maybe we can move forward. All right, so that's it about NASDAQ. I'll see you guys on the next one.